Thank you very much, Nzinga. Of course, the outgoing mayor of Cape Town, Patricia de Lille, says she wants to return to court before Wednesday. Addressing the press, the Cape Town Press Club, she said she wanted to take both reports by the law firm Bowman Gilfillan on review. While the reports were adopted by council last week, de Lille was also meant to vacate office on Wednesday, as per an agreement with the party from about 2 months ago. She has not yet confirmed whether she will follow through on that agreement, but says at this stage her focus is on ensuring she clears her name.
Another court battle looms. Nothing new for Patricia de Lille and the DA. In the last 18 months, they have met in court 3 times. Each time, de Lille has come out victorious. 2 months ago, many thought the war was over. De Lille announced she would leave her post as mayor at the end of this month. The DA further said all charges against de Lille would be dropped. But de Lille denies it was an agreement.
Then the DA decided, not me, the DA decided to abandon the Steenhuisen report. And what does that mean? That Steenhuisen report has got no force and effect, it means nothing. And therefore they had no more charges against me, and that's why they had to drop the charges, because the party abandoned the Steenhuisen report, and thereby the charges also fell away. So I didn't make a deal with the Democratic Alliance at all. I've insisted that I want an open hearing, open to the media and open to the public.
De Lille now wants to return to court.
So unfortunately, I'm going back to court, and my mandate to my lawyers is that I want to go to court before Wednesday to try and review and to set aside this report. So that is where I am.
Asked whether she would resign on Wednesday as announced 2 months ago, her answer was that a day in politics is a very long time and that she's taking each day as it comes. Meanwhile, the DA says the Bowman's report was initiated by the city and therefore has nothing to do with the party. Nomawa Tusulwandle, SABC News, Cape Town.